In this video, I will explain the importance of a syllabus quiz. Whether a course is online, in person, or hybrid, it is imperative that a syllabus quiz is given the first week of the course. Assigning a syllabus quiz encourages students to thoroughly read and understand the important information on the syllabus, such as course policies and assignment dates. I usually post the syllabus quiz on the course website, and students have a week to complete it. These are just some examples of the types of questions you can include on the quiz: a question about required material, a question about where and how to access the course content, such as Blackboard, Canvas, the course website address, a question about the time frame that the quizzes and exams are open, especially if your course is online. A question about makeup and late assignments. Do you accept late assignments? Do you allow students to make up assignments? You can even include information about the number of hours that students should study every week. Maybe you can suggest a particular amount of hours that students should study every week to excel in the course. So this is a sample syllabus quiz. Which of the following are required for the course? So you can include what's required. So do you require a textbook, a computer with internet connection, a laptop or a desktop, Google Chrome? What should you do if you're having trouble logging onto Blackboard, or if you cannot open something? What should students do? Should they contact you? Should they contact technical support? You should view the weekly Blackboard material on Tuesday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. I usually open the Blackboard material on Monday morning, and that is when I suggest that students should view it. You can include other questions about group assignments. Do you have group assignments in the course? Do you accept late assignments? Can students turn in late assignments at the end of the semester, or do you not accept late assignments at all? All assignments are due at 11:59 p.m. Do you have a cutoff date for assignments? The cutoff date for assignments in the course is usually Sunday because the assignments are opened on or available on Monday, and students have the entire week, and they have until 11:59 p.m. Sunday to turn the assignments in. Lecture quizzes and exams are available. So if it's an online course, is there a particular time that students should take quizzes and exams? What about recommended amount of time that students should study every week? Do you think they should study maybe 10 hours a week, 8 hours a week? What is the suggested amount of time that will allow the student to excel in the course? Assigning a syllabus quiz ensures that students truly study the syllabus and understand the course requirements. Students also know exactly what to expect during the course.